In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that many of us rely on to keep our work organized and efficient. Sometimes, however, we need to revisit tasks we've finished, and these archived tasks might seem out of reach at first glance. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step so it becomes a seamless part of your ClickUp workflow. Let's dive in. To start, make sure you're in the right view within ClickUp. Whether you're using the list, board, calendar, or any other view, head over to your project space. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. This is where you will find the Filter menu. It's a handy feature that allows you to customize what you're seeing, tailoring it to show exactly what you need at any given moment. Click on the filter icon to open the menu. This is your starting point for locating those archived tasks. Now, it's also where you can filter tasks by a variety of criteria such as status or priority. Our main focus here, though, is on accessing those archived items. Once you've opened the filter menu, you'll need to set a specific filter to include the archived tasks in your list of visible items. Look for the option labeled Archived and set the filter to On. Sometimes this might be worded a little differently, like Include Archived, but the functionality remains the same. By selecting this option, you're telling ClickUp to reveal those archived tasks alongside your active items. This way, you don't have to switch between different sections or views to access old tasks. They'll appear seamlessly integrated with your current workload. As soon as you've set this filter, watch as ClickUp refreshes to display everything, both archived and active. It's a great way to jog your memory on past projects, pull up old work for reference, or even decide if any archived tasks need revisiting and perhaps reactivating. Just remember that any changes you make to the filter settings are temporary and specific to that particular session or view. So if you need to see archived tasks again later, make sure you revisit these steps. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this short tutorial helps you better manage your workflow in ClickUp, making it easier for you to retrieve and review archived tasks whenever necessary. Keep exploring the many features ClickUp offers. There's a wealth of tools at your fingertips, ready to optimize your productivity. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tutorials.